Hello. This week's Parsha is Parshat Yitro. In Parshat Yitro are the 10 Commandments, Aseret HaDibrot. The Aseret HaDibrot embody all 613 mitzvot. And in fact, I would like to focus on one of the Aseret HaDibrot, one of the 10 Commandments, Kabed et avicha ve'et imecha. This is a mitzvah that the children should honor their parents. And this mitzvah implies that the children should listen to their parents within parameters of halacha and other parameters, and should also respect them in other senses. Should treat them with respect their wishes, speak nicely to them, and so on. It's very interesting to note that in this mitzvah, kabedet avicha ve'et imecha, the father is mentioned before the mother. Now, Chazal interpret this to mean that the father and mother are actually honored equally, because they both have an equal part in their child's life. But there's a natural tendency sometimes with the child to honor his mother more than his father, because there's a somewhat of a tendency of the father to be somewhat more distant. And since the child therefore feels possibly closer to his mother, the Torah says no. Even though you may naturally feel that you should respect your mother more than your father, in fact, you have to respect them both equally, and that's why the father is actually listed first. This is in contrary to someplace else in the Torah where it mentions the mitzvah of yir'ah, to be in awe of the parents. The parameters of this mitzvah are somewhat different than the parameters of kabed avicha ve'et imecha, and there actually the mother is mentioned first, because again, there's a natural tendency of the person to be more in awe of his father. And therefore, the Torah says, despite that natural tendency, you should be in awe of both of them equally. And therefore, places the mother before the father. We all be zoche to be mekayim, the mitzvah of kibud avayim, at its best, and thus be zoche leman yerichun yamecha, that we should have all wonderful and long, healthy lives. Kol tuv and Shabbat Shalom.